Hey guys, this is Pritesh back again with another video, and today I'm going to tell you about another tool which is very niche specific. So if you are a digital marketer like me, or if you are someone who needs to test too many URLs at once, so you might be probably copy pasting all those URLs one by one and then testing them out, which is not a very convenient way out. So this is a small web tool with what exactly it does. You just need to dump all the URLs in that particular section and it will open them all once. I will just tell you how. So let's keep myself inside. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to dump all those URLs here just like this. It can be like literally dozens or hundreds of URLs. You can paste them once and just click on open all URLs, and that's how it goes. It is so easy to use. It will immediately open all those URLs at once, and just see how it opened all URLs at once. And by the way, make sure that you subscribe to me on YouTube, you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, or even check out my website. So I think this is a very interesting website if you are someone who needs to test multiple URLs at time. I don't think anyone else or normal people will even require this website, so there is no use case as such, but this is just another life-saving tool that I feel that I use regularly. So make sure that you check that out, and I hope that you like this video. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care and goodbye.